Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use tags and segments in ManyChat to send targeted messages and keep your audience organized in 2025. This is a powerful way to make sure people only get the messages that matter to them. Step 1. Log into your ManyChat account and go to Audience. Step 2. Select a subscriber and apply a tag. A tag is a simple label you create, such as webinar attendee, VIP customer, or interested in product A. You can add tags manually or set them to apply automatically inside your flows. Step 3. Now let's look at segments. Go to the Segments tab. Here you can create groups of users based on tags, custom fields, or behavior. For example, you can make a segment for everyone tagged as webinar attendee or those who clicked a specific button. Step 4. When sending a broadcast or automation, choose to target a segment instead of your entire list. This ensures your message goes only to the right people. Step 5. Test your setup. Add yourself to a segment, send a test message, and confirm it works as expected. And that is it. By using tags and segments in ManyChat, you can organize your audience, deliver more relevant content, and increase engagement without spamming everyone at once.